around. July 4th, 2009, Scottsdale, Arizona. Fireworks right in your own backyard.
Our first 4th of July, woo, in Arizona.
Oh my God. Fabulous. Can't believe our perspective on this.
Wow.
We're like in the
so
middle
cool.
of it.
We're just sitting in the backyard and it's right here.
Oh,
Wow, it's
my
like they're
God.
playing it for us. They're doing it for us.
Oh,
Oscar's in the house because he's
my
scared to
God.
death. But
Oh my God. Oh.
Francie is right here. She's very excited about it. She loves it.
Oh, these are great.
Whoa.
God,
Whoa.
they're huge too. Look at them. Oh, look at that in your face. Look at the way it sparkles after it. Oh my God, these are great. Oh, look at that. Never seen anything like this ever. This one's in my face. It's in the yard.
Oh, this is so cool.
Duds either. They're all good. Every single one is good. Francie's loving it.
Yeah.